guys, I hope you all are doing great. Well, in this video I'll be showing you how you can add volume and length to your hair. So the product that I'll be showing you is called Fishnet extensions, and this is how it looks. So there are 4 clips here on the top, and then there is a net in between, and then 2 clips here at the bottom. So this product, as I said, is perfect when you want that extra length and extra volume to your hair. You can style it the way you want because it's made from real human hair. So as you can see, I have curled my hair extensions and I have curled my original hair also, and you will see the difference it creates when I attach it to my hair. So how you can attach these extensions, well, I'm going to show you in this video, and it's super easy. There's nothing much that you have to do. You don't need anyone's help. You can completely attach this extension all by yourself, and you'll see how it can be done. All you need to do is take a tail comb and create a section. So very roughly, like just above my ear, I have created a section, and I'll take all these hair and I'll take a section clip and put all this hair here on top. And let me just show you guys the section that I've created here. Now you just need to open all these clips and attach the extension here. Let me turn around and show you guys the clips. Now I'm just removing this section clip and putting my hair on top of these extensions. And that's it. I am done. It was this easy to apply these extensions. Look at the length and the volume that I got with just one single piece. It is looking so pretty. Well, I have never had such long hair in my life, so I'm really enjoying this look. It has merged very well with my original hair. You can't actually tell the difference. And I'll also turn and show you guys the band is not visible at all. It's been covered with my original hair and it's just not visible. Very comfortable to wear. It can be customized as per your hair color. You can also add some highlights. So well, this particular hair extensions is perfect when you want to leave your hair open. You can style them the way you want. You can curl them, straighten them, do some soft waves. You can even do a half tie, a braid or a half tie look like this. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you all very soon with my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and stay healthy.